Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I talk about lifestyle, fun tips and everything else in between, okay? If that interests you, please consider subscribing, and to all of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. In today's video, we're going to talk about something fun, okay? We're going to talk about how to make your home smell amazing. So today I'm going to talk about the few things you need to tackle to achieve this. So first of all, you want to start with a clean base, okay? You want to do that by taking out your trash regularly. It's very essential to do that because when you leave your trash, especially when you have your trash indoors, when you have your bins indoors, you want to take them out regularly because when you leave them in the house, it's going to build up. The smell, the odor, it's just going to build up, and it's going to be, the whole house will be smelling really bad, and it's not really it's not pleasant at all. So it's very important to take out your trash regularly. And also the bins itself, okay, you want to at least maybe once a month give it a good wipe down, give it a good clean. It's very important. All right. And then another thing, so as part of starting with a clean base, is making sure that you wipe down all your areas, okay, like every surface in the home, like your tables, your doors, your cupboards, your everywhere, like your chairs. You want to make sure that they are all wiped down, okay. You want to vacuum, okay, you want to vacuum regularly and mop the floors as well regularly. All right. And then lastly, you want to make sure that all of your soft fabrics, like your soft items, I mean, so like your curtains, your sofas and your cushions are are dusted and really tidy and clean. So a good tip for your carpet, okay, is to get a baking soda, sprinkle some baking soda on your carpet and leave it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you vacuum. This will help absorb any odor. So that's a very good tip for you. So secondly, you want to let in fresh air. So you should, it's important to at least open your window for about 10 to 15 minutes a day to allow fresh air into the home. All right. And it's also important as well to, if it's needed, you can turn on your fan and allow for cross breeze around your space. Thirdly, add scent naturally or artificially. So what I usually would do, sometimes I would take a pot, put water in the pot, add, and then bring it to a boil, okay. As it's coming to a boil, I would then add my orange slices, I'll add cinnamon sticks and rosemary, okay. These are the three things I add in the boiling water, and oh my god, the entire home will smell divine, okay. So try this, and it's actually very good. And another thing you could do to to make your home smell amazing as well is to use diffusers, okay. You could buy the reed diffusers. You can get them in shops. You can buy the ones, whatever, they have different fragrances, so many smell. You could buy them and then use them, or you could use the one that you could have water in it, okay. Those the steam diffusers, add your essential, few drops of your essential oils in them, and that's another great way to make your home smell wonderful. You could also use candles as well, okay. There's so many types in different shops, okay. You will always find candles everywhere, so you can find lovely candles, the ones that you like, and put them around your home. They actually make your home cozy as well, and also make your home smell lovely. And another tip as well is to get cotton ball and add a few drops of your essential oil on the cotton ball and place them in hidden corners of your home. And trust me, this is actually a very good tip because it will also make your home smell wonderful. So now I'm going to focus on the bathroom now, the bathrooms and toilets, okay. It's very important to at least clean your bathrooms once a week, at least once a week, okay. It's very important because that's where you take your shower. That's where you do your business, okay. You need to, okay, you always need to make it, clean it down at least once a week. Is very important. And another great tip for your bathroom, okay, to make it smell amazing, like this is something I only realized, but you can get tissue, your tissue paper, that cardboard thing in your tissue. Put few drops of your essential oil in the tissue paper and place it back on your tissue holder, and as you're rolling your tissues, as it's rolling down, rolling on the tissue holder is going to emit really, really good odor from your essential oil. So that's another great tip to make your bathroom, smell great. Another great way to make your home smell lovely is by using fresh fabrics. Okay, so like your beddings, your blankets, your pet items, all of those things need to be cleaned regularly as well. Okay, and then you can use good fabric softener when you're washing as well. Okay, they're very good. The ones that really have nice smell, they are great, and because that will leave your bedding smell wonderful, make them smell lovely as well. So make sure you use a fabric softener when you're washing, and also you could use a fabric spray. You could spray down your sofa, your anything that is fabrics, that is a fabric material. You can use your fabric spray on them, and that will make that will also add to making your area smell wonderful. So lastly, add plants. Okay, and plants like lavender, mint, jasmine, they smell great, and they also purify the air in the home. So it's very, very important as well to have plants like that, like those in your home. So now we have come to the end of this video, and now you know the things I do to make my home smell amazing. I would like to know down in the comment section what you do to make your home smell wonderful. Okay, I'll probably get some tips as well from that. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.